Welcome back to Cooking with Meg. Today we're going to make some crescent roll-ups. And what you're going to want for your ingredients today, you're going to need some croissants and some lunch meat. We're going to use some with salami, we're going to do some with some ham and cheese. We've got 3 different kinds of cheeses that we're going to use today. We've got American sharp white cheddar, we've got the Kraft singles, and string cheese is also really good in them. So the first thing we got to remember, boys and girls, is to wash our hands before we cook. I washed my hands before I started my video, but make sure when you're handling food that you're going to wash your hands first. You're going to need to be able to have a baking sheet that you can put your croissant rolls on, and you're going to set your oven at 350. So after your rolls are opened, you're going to want to peel them apart. It's kind of fun. And they are in the shape of triangles. So we're going to break them apart. And I'm going to put the other ones over here. And I'm going to take my cheese and I'm going to open it up. And I'm going to bend it in half and then separate it. And I'm going to put it right along my triangle. Then I'm going to take my meat, so I'm going to take some ham. And you could do 1 or 2 pieces. These are really fun. You can make pizza ones too. You just use pizza sauce and mozzarella cheese instead. And then pepperoni or whatever you like on your pizza. So I'm going to take my piece of ham though, and I'm going to put it on top. And then I'm going to roll. And I'm going to roll them all the way down so that they look like this. So that one is ham in the Kraft single. Then I'm going to do a salami. That triangle kind of fell apart, friends. We're going to do a piece of salami. The salami is a little bit smaller, so I might do 2 pieces. And lay them down, and then take a piece of my sharp cheddar and lay it down. I'm going to break it in half again and put it this way. It'll cover more of the ground. And then I'm going to pinch and roll all the way up to the end. And put it, you want to space them a little bit apart so that they have room to bake. The string cheese you're going to want to break in half. So you've got your piece of cheese. One of these is open. And you're just going to want to break it in half. So one piece is going to work for 2 rolls. And we'll do another piece of ham. And roll it all up. When you have all of your rolls however you want them, you're going to bake them in the oven for 10 to 13 minutes or until the crescent roll is done. That's what you're going to want to make sure gets cooked all the way through. And then you can take them out and enjoy them. Thanks for coming to cook with me today. Bye.